Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Monday. Hope you guys had a fabulous weekend and ready for a cracking week. Today we are going to be making some of these fabulous tassels. I use tassels to decorate the journals because it I think they add a lot of interest and textures on the cover. So in this video I'm going to share how to make these 5 lovely tassels, and I can put my fingers through them forever and ever and ever. Super easy technique. Yeah, guys, keep watching and I will see you very soon. They're so addictive to make. Okay guys, so when we make tassels, you can use anything that you have. I have here a different collections of thread, ribbons and textures for different brands. You literally can use anything that you like. In my in tassels, everyone has got different styles as for everything really. Some people like the same colors. I tend to like different colors with different textures. I like to see those tassels very long, and also to have different type of threads and yeah, like textures and materials. So all these are from Taperlogy, and I have going to put a discount code in the info box because I am a brand ambassador for Taperlogy. So I work with this lovely company from the lovely Florence. Hi Florence, if you watch this video. I've also got a big bag, huge bag full of different ribbon, perfectly organized as you can see. Not so I'm going to use a lot of different things. You know, I've got some velvet, I've got some, I don't know how you call this in English, this sort of like material. I've got some wrapping balls. I got all sorts. You know, I've got some shiny, silky. I got different bits. So what I tend to do with when I make tassels, I do it once at a time, and I select the different. I put it on my desk, and I select all different colors and textures. Now, because there's 5 journals, I want them to be the 5 of them to be completely different from one another. So I'm gonna use different colors, and we will see at the end. So what I'm going to do, guys, because I don't want this video to be unnecessarily long, I will put everything on the desk. I'm going to speed it up a little bit, and I'm just going to put some music, and then because it's all about how you select your different bits, and I'll show you how to put them all together. So I've got 5 different color story. So one is going to be this lovely pale. It's not teal because there is a bit of green, there's a bit of pink in there. This lovely white and this lovely peach. Okay, so this is one color story. Another color story, another tassel will be this burgundy and green. The third tassel will be this lovely yellows and oranges. The 4th tassel will be mainly green with all different shades of green. And then the last one is going to be these greens, but on here there is a bit of pink and purple. So I will add pink and purple thread from my other bag. Okay, so we're going to start with one and we're going to do them all together. Okay guys, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, so literally what I did, put all the strings together and then put a little loop at the top, so just make a knot. And this is what I meant. So you got, you know, different style and different texture, different colors. So one is a bit white peach with a little bit of mint. I like it, really like it. This one here, I just put some of this lilac ribbon, because there is some pink. I don't know if you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it on camera. Some mint, lilac and green. This is probably my favorite one, when you got some mint, burgundy and pink and a little bit of brown. This is more like yellow and an orange tones. You see, you've got different texture. You've got some wool, some cotton, some pompons, some, look, some of this lovely thread in there. And this one, which is the first one I made, it has more red, orange, brown with a little bit of colours in there. Okay, so we've got 5 tassels. So how you attach to the journal is completely up to you. I saw people simply put it like that, or glue it on the front, or sometimes I saw people put it inside. So for example, they put a hole in there, but because this is very bulky, I think what I'm going to do for all of them, I will probably put them in a little, in fact, let's do it together. So what I need is a piece of cardstock. I'm gonna use this one, this piece here. Just trim it. Let me get rid of it. Okay, I'll put my rubbish back on the floor. Yes, and then we're going to put loads of double side tape. Don't use glue because it won't work, especially with all these different textures. So dry adhesive is the best when you make tassels. Okay, so put that in there, and then you just press this, so make sure all the bits, okay, are glued together. Strip, and then you just simply roll it and create the tassel shape. Okay, so just going to tap it there, put more double side tape there, get it off, and we roll it again. Roll it, do-do, roll it, do-do, roll it in the river, do-do, do-do-do. Okay, so you know that your tassel is now secure. Nothing will ever happen And then sometimes I even chop it like that. And then I'm going to decorate. I'm going to do the same for all of them. And then I'm going to decorate this little bit. Okay, so you can either put some more ribbon, or you can either put paper, stickers, anything that you want. You can either do washi. You can do anything that you guys like. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, I've done all my tassels. I have used to cover them up these butterflies here. This is from that's the ephemera pack. Again, everything will be linked down below, so simply like cut them in the shape. So, and that's what the tassel looks like, and I simply glue in top of the journal. So this is one, this is two, and I'm trying to match the color of the butterfly with the color of the tassel. I can just simply like put my fingers through it forever and ever and ever. So that's two. Put it there so you guys can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it like that. This is three. This is four. And number five. Okay, guys, you can make this in any sort of like colors and any length. You can either, I mean, I put the butterflies, but you can put double-sided tape and cover in thread, so it looks like it's just one big piece. You know, maybe in the next time I make some journals, I would do that, so to give you guys some different ideas. But the tassels are a great way to decorate journals, and just add that little, I think, details, I guess. Okay, guys, so everything that I have used, I will put a link down below. I hope I will remember. And yeah, you get 15% discount across everything on Taperlogy. So if you want to get your hands on these threads and butterflies and all different bits and bobs, feel free to support Florence and Taperlogy. And yeah, let me know if you make some of these tassels. If you do, share them on my Facebook group so everybody can take inspiration. What I was just thinking as well in my head as I was talking to you guys, you can either put some beads, you know, like, have I got any beads? Yeah. So, I don't know, things like, I know this is a bit too big, but you can either put things like that on a ribbon, or even, oops, what's going on? Or even there, it's tucked in, you put it on the thread. So many different variations, I'm going to make some angels beads soon, so maybe we can put some angel in that as well. Maybe not, I don't know. But yeah, there's a lot of ideas running through my head as I speak, because making tassels is so fun. Right, guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like my tassels making videos, and also yeah, have a go at making them. You can use any threads or ribbons that you have at home, even like some, if you do like knitting, even some wools will work with this sort of technique. Okay, thank you so much for watching, guys. Big thumbs up. I will see you on Wednesday for a VIP video, and until then, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.